Listen to your iPod per megapixel 3 player on your car or home stereo. Connect your iPod, iPhone, iPad to your home or car stereo or to your sound card. Slimline connector molding fits nicely into a 35mm headphone jack even if your mobile device is in a protective case. iPhone headphone cable, 1 meter 35mm audio cable, slim headphone cable, male-to-male 35mm cable. Molded connectors with strain relief. Top reviews from the United States. Clear, loud sound. I like it. I use it to connect music, Google Maps, voice memos to car speakers. Sounds good. Tucks away on earbud tidy, taking up less room in glovebox than thicket wire. There's nothing buzzing. The cable serves as a replacement for the original Sennheiser cable, which was included with the 170 rupees headphones. This was horribly grumbling. The hum probably exists with many Sennheiser 170 rupees headphones when you read the reports. And behold, with this extremely inexpensive cable from StarTech.com, delivered by adaptare within 48 hours, there was no hum anymore. For quality, it is a cable with 2 connectors and it works without creating problems yourself. What more do you want?